So here we are today at Glenview School, and I've got Kyan and Corona here, and they're going to be my kaitiaki guides. Do you want to show me around today?
Yeah, why not?
Let's do it, eh?
Now, the reason we're here at Glenview School in Wellington is to open up their brand new playground. It's actually the 6th playground we've given away as part of Mitre 10 Project Playground, which is very exciting.
She's pretty good at that. Can you do that? Grab it.
It was time for a new playground, and particularly one that offers challenge to the older children. Finances is a real constraint. To get the phone call out of the blue to say we had won this was just a miracle, really.
It's great to know that we can actually deliver something that might actually last a significant period of time and actually give to many.
You know, kids learn through play, so it's an awesome thing to be able to support.
Just to see their little smiley faces, they're laughing, they're shrieking. It's a pleasure to watch.
These guys are absolutely wrapped, so if they're happy, I'm super stoked. Give us 5. Cha!